Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will show you how to change a letter or A4 size page to legal size in PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. Let's get started. Open a A4 or legal size file and go to Tools menu, Edit PDF and Toolbar. Click the crop page and double click on the page and click the fixed sizes and choose the legal size and hit OK. Now check the page size is legal. This one is letter size. Tools menu, edit PDF, crop pages, double click on the page, fixed sizes, legal size, all page and OK. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.